Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your business with Norton detailed guide step by step clearly. To secure your business with Norton, start by assessing your current security needs. Identify the specific threats your business faces, including malware, phishing, and data breaches. Visit the official Norton website to explore their range of business security solutions. Select the appropriate Norton product that matches your business size and industry requirements. Consider options like Norton Small Business or Norton 360 for overall protection. Once you've chosen a product, click on the Get Started button to initiate the purchasing process. Create an account or log in if you're an existing user. Provide the necessary payment information to complete your purchase. After confirming your order, download the Norton software to your business devices. Install the software by following the on-screen instructions for each device. Activate your Norton subscription using the product key provided upon purchase. Run the initial system scan to detect any existing threats on your devices. Configure the security settings according to your business needs, focusing on features like firewall protection and email security. Set up automatic updates to ensure your Norton software is always current. Regularly review the security reports generated by Norton to stay informed about threats and vulnerabilities. Train your staff on best security practices, emphasizing the importance of using Norton in daily operations. Schedule regular security checkups to adapt to new threats as your business evolves. By following these steps, you can significantly enhance your business's security posture with Norton. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.